Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about sort, the higher order function in JavaScript. Now, in my previous videos I've covered for each, filter, map and reduce, and the data set that I used for all these examples was a list of salaries. So I'm going to continue with using the same data set, and I'm going to create a new file and I'm going to call it sort.js. Now I'm going to paste in my data set here. So this is just a variable called salary. It's set to 10 different individual salaries held within an array, and it's just a simple way that we can demonstrate the use of these higher order functions. Now, as you can see, this array here is currently out of order, and what we could do is we could define our variable, we could call the sort method on salary, and we would get a list of sorted salaries. Now, what if we wanted to do the opposite of that? So this is what I'm going to show you what's exactly happening under the hood of our sort method. So I'm going to define our variable. I'm going to say let sorted salary, and I'm going to set this equal to our sorted salaries. So this is the first and the most easiest example that I'm going to go through. So we're going to type in whatever we want to sort through. So in this case, it's salary, and we're going to call our method sort. And we can do this by using the keyword sort and putting two brackets at the end of it. And now if I go and console log this, so I can see what values are actually being placed into the sorted salary, and I go and run this to print them out, I can see that this has sorted all my salaries for me. So this is great, okay? But what if we want to actually go and manipulate or sort our array in some other way? So for example, what if we want to reverse our sorted array? So what exactly is happening under the hood with sort? So sort actually takes in a callback function, and this callback function takes in two parameters. For this example, we're just going to use A and B for our parameters, and then it returns A and B in a given order. So let's just start off by creating our function first. So by creating our callback function, we're going to use the keyword function, and we're going to set our round brackets, and we're going to take in our two parameters, both A and B. And after A and B, we're going to type in our curly brackets, and within our curly brackets, we are going to execute something. So we want to return something. So we're going to return a sorted array, so the exact same way that it is here. I'm just doing this first because I want you to be able to better understand exactly what's going on before I jump into the descending version. So we're going to return A minus B. Simple as that. So if I go and run this, we should see the exact same result as what we've got here at the moment. So I'm going to run this, and you can see we get the exact same result. Now imagine if I wanted this in some other order, right? So as we said before, maybe B minus A. So you can probably guess that this is going to return us a descending salaries array. So let's go and check it out by running our application. So we go and run, and we can see it does the exact opposite. It spits out the values in descending order. Now, you might want to make this a little bit cleaner, and if you've watched any of my other videos on higher order functions, you would have seen the use of arrow functions, and that's what we're going to use here. So when we want to change a normal function, normal callback function, into an arrow function or an ES6 using the ES6 standard, we get rid of our function keyword first. Now in this example, we're taking in two parameters, both A and B, so we have to leave these round brackets here. If we were only taking in one value, like for each or map or filter, we could take away these round brackets, but for this example we have to leave them in. Now we can also get rid of these two curly brackets, so I'm going to get rid of those, and I'm going to bring this up to the next line to make it a little bit cleaner. And right here is where we have to put in our arrow function, or our fat arrow function as some people refer to it. So we've got our fat arrow function, and this return is not actually needed. This keyword is not needed, so we can get rid of it. And we'll just tidy this up a little bit, and we'll bring this round bracket onto the next line, and we're going to go and run this again, and we should see the exact same output. And so we do. We see the exact same output just using arrow functions. Now, another example that we could get the exact same result would be if we didn't use this at all and we got rid of this, and after we have sorted the array of salaries, we're just going to run this again to see what output we get. This is our ordered array. We could chain methods and call reverse on this. So dot reverse. And now if we go and run this, we get a similar result for our descending values.